My name is Ricardo Elvas. Within Körber supply chain we have different business units, and I'm part of the business unit automation. Our core business is intralogistics, so we provide material handling equipment so that our customers have fully automated warehouses. The legacy business of selling hardware, it's something that will not survive in the future. We need to combine hardware with intelligence. This intelligence will come from the software layer, and just by combining these two worlds we can have a sustainable business in the future. I'm actually supporting the company with the digital strategy and agenda, and we have been working on this over the past year. So we have been in this digital journey together with Siemens Insights Hub team. We are essentially building a software layer on top of this hardware in order to allow our customers to be more productive, to have more throughput of the same equipment. With artificial intelligence, we are able not just to leverage transparency that we create, but we are actually acting back to the equipments by providing additional intelligence so that the equipments can not depend so much on humans to restore. And with the automatic procedures, they can reset in certain situations and not have assistance from humans. Some of our customers, they have additional gains of more than 40-45 minutes per day per machine. And this is essentially enabled by the technology that is provided by Siemens with the Insights Hub. So we are just building on top of the platform, and we can really focus on the domain knowledge that we have, on the use cases, and we can essentially deliver the value to our customers, not having a huge team that needs to take care of all the parts of the tech stack, and this is for us super important. The partnership we have with Siemens has been fundamental since the beginning, because we were able to create in a much faster way the first MVP product. We were able to launch to the market in just a couple of weeks. And this essentially gave us the initial speed and momentum that we needed to show to the market the use case was feasible, that was scalable, and essentially we are keeping this momentum to build now more and more use cases. So it has been fundamental for us to have this partnership. Our goal is to build use cases on smart operations, smart maintenance, keep adding more and more products to this digital portfolio that we can offer to our customers so that they can be more efficient, more productive, and essentially one day achieve this ultimate goal of providing this dark factory approach.